Hello guys, welcome to KB Tutorials. So in this tutorial on Catalan Studio, we are going to learn how to use JavaScript executor with a small example called how we can go to the bottom of the web page. So I have developed a very small script here. So let me start execute this one and show you the output first. Then we'll see how we can implement this one. So now you can see it is started uh, loading the browser, and it will launch the application. Then it will go to the bottom of that particular web page. If you see here, it is still loading, so let's wait for it to load. Then it should go to the bottom of the web page. Now you can see it went to the bottom of the web page with the help of JavaScript executor. So after that, we'll see this one also, and after that we'll click on some element here. Okay, so for this, what I'm going to do is let me explain it from the scratch, guys. So I'll click on a test case. I'm going to create a test case, let's say like JS execution 1, because I'm going to create we can have so many examples on JavaScript executor. So this is I have named as a one. Now I am using the recordings. I'm going to record this one in a Chrome. Now you can see the application is getting loaded. Here we need to go to the bottom of the web page, right? So you don't need to remember the JavaScript code, guys. Here just we need to remember the concept, like I need to execute the JavaScript. So here I have clicked on add. Then if I type E here, if you see, this JavaScript executor is there, and if I click on the values here, it is having two parameters. First one is a JavaScript code, and second one is what are the values that you want to pass to that JavaScript code here. So JavaScript code here is this line, guys. I just googled it, how to go to the bottom of the web page using the JavaScript. So I found this particular line which is useful for us. This is nothing but using the scroll to function, we can go to the bottom of the web page. So this particular JavaScript code, I'm going to put it in my example here. Go here, present this value, click on OK. If you go to the script mode here, you can see arguments, it is there, but I don't need any arguments for this. So for that reason I'm keeping as null. Okay, now let me execute this one first, and let's see the code is working properly or not. Then we'll see how we can click on some element once it go to the bottom. So now you can see I have started running the script, and the script should invoke the browser. Okay, so we have understood how to use the JavaScript code, I believe, from this example. If you have any doubt, now you can see it went to the bottom of the web page. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, guys, so that I can help you more on this. Now I need to click on some element, right? So here also I'll use record the web. Okay, then is asking, do you want to continue recording or do you want to clean the session? But I want to continue here. Then I want to put it in Chrome here. All these lines are already there, guys. Open browser, navigate to. So I just need to remove this. I don't need that, so I'm removing this. Once it is loading here, come to the bottom of the web page here. Okay, then click on some element like local here. Now you can see I have clicked on this element. If I click on this, now you can see this page should come, guys. So I'm clicking on OK here, and where you want to save the objects. So here I am giving that thing here where it want to save. Now if you see here, do you want to append or override the test case? So this is already we have the test case, right? So this is asking, do you want to append this or you want to override it? So if I click on append, whatever the code is there, that code on the bottom will get this part of the code, but I don't need this, so I'm clicking on override. So completely previous code will get overwritten by the new code. This is a one which we are getting now. Okay, so now I'll just simply click on execute. Then it should launch our application and it should go to the bottom of the web page and click on some element once it reaches the bottom of the web page. So that is the demo, guys. So now you can see it started executing. It should go to the bottom, went to the bottom, and you should click on some element, but something has happened here. Unable to click on the element. Root cause is unable to click on the element. I'll just look at this issue, guys. So guys, now I'm simply saving into the new folder. Let me keep it as JS2 here. I'm saved now, and let me overwrite the current one. Now you can see I have overwritten the current one, and I have applied TED sleep for 2 minutes. So here, not 2 minutes, sorry, it's a 2 seconds of wait it will have. Now you can see I have started executing now. Let's see. Application is slowly loading. Went to the bottom and it is clicking on the fields, right? So the issue is because I already have the object repository over there, so maybe because of that this issue is happening. So once I clean that, and that means I am putting into the new repository, this issue is not repeating. So I hope it's informative for you guys. Let me know if you have any doubt in a comment section so that I can help you more on this. So thank you so much for watching, and also please do explore all the tutorials in the same playlist on Catalan Studio, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.